Kaspa is about to skyrocket in value very soon, surpassing its all-time high as a new tier 1 top 5 exchange listing is on the horizon, but I'll get into that in a little bit. Now Kaspa, despite currently hovering around its all-time high, I believe it is still massively undervalued and is going to pump even further, and let me explain why. Now as it stands, Kaspa is the best performing coin in this current bear market, and the crazy thing about this is that on the exact day that Bitcoin peaked in the last bull run around $69,000, Kaspa was launched. Kaspa launched at arguably the worst time in crypto history, one of the biggest crashes in crypto, but not only had it survived, it has flourished and outperformed everybody else. Furthermore, Kaspa is proving once again why it is the best proof of work project that exists today. As it stands currently, 18 businesses accept Kas right now, and that number is only increasing as time goes on, increasing their adoption. Additionally, Kaspa is breaking records again and again with their hash rate at 3.19 petahash per second, so 3.19 quadrillion hashes a second, and constantly increasing every single day. This is showcasing Kaspa's growing ecosystem while enhancing the security and becoming even more decentralized. And also to mention that in a span of a year, in just a span of 1 year since its launch, Kaspa's mining distribution has improved drastically, as we can see right here, the old one and the new one. And now Kaspa is ranked at number 58 on CoinGecko, which is insane. All of these achievements, they've achieved all of this in less than a year, and they are not slowing down anytime soon. Now there are numerous reasons as to why I believe that Kaspa is about to rocket again in value, but I'll simplify it to just 3. Firstly, as I stated at the beginning of this video, Kaspa is about to be listed on another massive exchange. Not too long ago, Kaspa was contacted with a great opportunity to be listed on another tier 1 exchange that was in the top 5. We already know that Kaspa is listed on one, being KuCoin, but to be listed on another is a huge day for us Kaspa holders. As we can see, the terms of the listing were for the community to raise $30,000, and this will end on the 2nd of August tomorrow. And should Kaspa reach this quota, that money will be used as a marketing campaign for Kaspa on that exchange. Well, no surprise that the community has pulled through and achieved the quota in less than 48 hours, in less than 2 days, meaning that it should be inevitable that Kaspa is about to break history once again and surpass its all-time high. But the question is, what exchange will it be? Will it be Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, or according to CoinMarketCap, will it be Kraken? Or according to CoinGecko, will it be OKX? Well, it is rumored that the exchange will in fact be OKX, the tier 1 exchange with over 50 million users and almost $900 million in daily trading volume. Now, regardless of whether this rumor is true or not, this exchange listing will be massive for Kaspa, and I believe that it will result in a new all-time high, which brings me on to my second reason. If you look at the market currently right now for Kaspa, it has been consolidating roughly around its all-time high for the past week or two, while continuing with a healthy trading volume graph. Currently, the trading volume for Kaspa, as we can see right here, is just short of $20 million, which is still very good. But yes, as we can see, Kaspa has been struggling to breach this ceiling, this all-time high, this tough level of resistance. But with this exchange listing and the current position of Kaspa, that volume right here is very likely to spike and surge up drastically with this listing and send Kaspa to all new heights. Not also to mention that according to the cryptographer, Kaspa is in a prime position right now to break this ceiling regardless of this listing. So in fact, this listing is just the extra boost that we needed. I believe that Kaspa is by far and large the best long-term investment that you can make today, because it is so undervalued and achieving more and more every day, breaking records, which brings me on to my third and final point. Not just Kaspa is making more record-breaking developments every single day, their research is being implemented into the protocols and technology of other massive notable projects. Take Cardano for example, ranked in the top 10 according to CoinMarketCap, currently at number 8. And this video here is showing the chief scientist at IOHK, the company behind ADA, talking about Kaspa's Ghost protocol and what it's famous for. Just take a listen.
Ghost means greedy, heaviest observed subtree, and you can think of this as a variation of of the main blockchain protocol of Nakamoto. I'm not going to explain how it works, but it's also famous because it's implemented in Ethereum.
So as you heard, the Ghost protocol is famous because it is implemented with Ethereum. But as we already know, that Kaspa has been using Ghost far longer. Jonathan Somplinsky is the one that developed the Ghost protocol, and Vitalik Buterin has even quoted this before, saying that he's used an adaptation of the Ghost protocol from Jonathan Somplinsky. This just goes to show that all the big projects recognize Kaspa's protocols for what they are: the future of blockchain technology, the block DAG. Kaspa is the best long-term investment due to all of their record-breaking achievements and developments, and 4 cents, in fact even 50 cents, is nothing for what Kaspa can achieve. Keep in mind, we are still waiting for the top exchanges, the Binances and Coinbases, to list Kaspa. The next update to the Rust protocol, which will allow for 10 blocks per second and even surpass 30 in the future. We still got to wait for smart contracts and the continued partnership where there will be thousands, potentially thousands of businesses and partnerships that will accept Kas. So let me know down in the comments below, how bullish are you on Kaspa, and also how high do you think Kaspa will go with this new imminent listing? And if you want other bullish projects to invest into, then check these videos on screen right now. But remember, it's just a coin, and I'll see you in the next video.